Edinburgh Youth Gaitherin.
Edinburgh Youth Gathering.
Edinburgh Youth Gathering.
Edinburgh Youth Gathering.
Edinburgh Youth Gathering.
Edinburgh Youth Gathering. Edinburgh Youth Gathering.
Edinburgh Youth Gathering.
Spent the whole year in school, and then they come along in the school holidays to yet another school to play music. And during the week we see 5 or 6 moments where a child suddenly comes alive, and changes people's lives. If we have 60 or 70 students here, it's going to change the lives of 3 or 4 of them. You're going to get some real life. You're going to meet people who think like you do. You're going to play real music, and it just makes you feel great compared with sitting at a computer keyboard or watching television.
Edinburgh Youth Gathering is a really inspiring experience for the young people that come along to it. Real opportunities for participating in music with other children, with other people their own age. It's a very different experience to just going for music lessons one-to-one with a teacher. Learning lots of tunes is always fun. Getting to play music with everyone else. Getting better at playing music over the course of the week. And meeting lots of new friends, and hopefully being able to keep those friends for years to come into the future.
This is the second year that I've been involved, and I've brought a group through from the Glasgow Fiddle Workshop in Glasgow, and we choose to come through here every year because it's a fantastic project. It's very, very good fun. There's a really nice community spirit around the UIG, and people have a great time playing lots and lots of different music, getting to know loads and loads of new people, and having an absolutely fantastic time. So one of the great things about UIG as well is that it's exclusively for traditional music. There's a few projects that do that, but the kids can come here, they can learn about the tradition, they can learn from very experienced tutors that know lots about traditional music to pass it on to them, and hopefully they can do the same a few years down the line.
So this year I'm teaching ceilidh dancing and step dancing, which is one of my big passions, and I really enjoy it, and I think it's nice to have a few things that are really inclusive activities, so for kids maybe who are new to traditional music and they perhaps haven't been playing an instrument for very long, they can come along to the dance class and really get involved in that way. It's great to see how some of the shyer ones come in at the beginning of the week, and by the end, they've made new friends and they're running away from their parents in the morning because they can't wait to come in. So that's just really great to see. I think that's what it's all about, really. We also have drama and singing, and I think the drama particularly is a nice kind of addition, because that's something you don't always get at things like fashion, so that's a nice thing for them to do with the concert, and that's a chance for the parents and family to come in and see what their kids have been doing all week, and they'll probably round things off with a good old-fashioned ceilidh as well.